Hello learners, I'm Mr. Gary, and in this video we're going to look at short vowel sounds. These are known sometimes as monophthongs, and I have 5 letters for you today that you're going to learn a little bit more about the pronunciation. Those letters are A or A, E or E, I or I, O or O, and U or Let's have a look at the first one, and the first one I have is this. Notice how my mouth comes all the way down here, or very far down, not only the mouth but the lower jaw. So this is your lower jaw, and I'm going to drop that now to pronounce this sound. A, apple. A, apple. You can see how with just a little movement here in the jaw, your jaw drops. A, apple. Notice there's not very much movement with the tongue. The tongue should be relaxed and following the bottom of the mouth as you pronounce this sound. A, apple. A, and. A, ant. Or we could say a, astronaut. A, astronaut. Now we've looked at A, we're going to look at E. E. Repeat and follow. E, egg. E, egg. E, elephant. E, elephant. E, eggplant. E, egg. E, elephant. Okay, now we've done A, we've done E. It's time to look at the other short vowel sound. There are 3 more remaining. And this one is I. I. Any words that begin with I that you know? Type them in the comments below if you know. How about insect? Did you say insect? I. In. I. It. I. Is. Notice there's a little roll at the back of the tongue there, and it should be, it's the first movement in the short vowel sounds where you keep the jaw in what I call position 1, position 2, and position 3. Why don't you pop over after this video to have a look at my monophthongs video. I'll put a link to that at the end. Click there and I'll go into more detail all about the vowel sounds, or monophthongs as they're called. Okay, moving to position 3 now, and our lower jaw, we have to really exercise that now. It goes all the way down. O. O. Can you think of words that start with the O sound? I wonder, did you think of orange? Orange. O, October. O, octopus. So those are the sounds that are used in those O type words like octopus, orange, October, and many other words that begin with the O letter. Okay, moving on now, we're going to look at for umbrella. For umbrella. For under. Those words, or words that begin with the letter U, are sounds mostly. So, how about undertaker? Undertaker. Underneath. Underneath. Well done, everybody. I'm glad you've done well with that. Can you think of any other words that have these sounds? If you can, why not comment them below? Perhaps we can discuss them and I can make more videos around this subject topic. Short vowel positions. It's important to remember that so far we have looked at short vowel sounds usually at the beginning of the word, but short vowel sounds can appear anywhere in the word. So let's have a look at this. We have some other example words, and we have pan, pan, wag, cat, test, jet, hen, hen, dig, tip, crib, sit, hop, stop, jot, fox, cub, gun, buzz, dug, tug. So those are some more examples of short vowel sounds elsewhere in the word. That brings us now to the end of this video for short vowel sounds. Please do remember to give the video a like and hit the subscribe button. I believe it's just down there somewhere. And also please remember to comment on this video. Let me know your experiences. Are there any words that I've missed? Are there any words that you can think of with a classic example of a short vowel sound? If you have any other questions, you might also want to leave a comment, or remember to view the Discuss tab in YouTube. I occasionally leave questions in there for you guys to discuss, or if you want to leave me any questions, I'd happily answer those for you. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time. Beep, beep, beep. So do that now. Make your comment and I'll read them and respond as soon as I possibly can. I really look forward to hearing your ideas about English, about the sounds of English. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, if you click here right now, there is a link to my monothong video, and you can also click here if you want to go into my playlist and study further areas of English, and those are arranged according to your abilities. Thanks very much for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.